Welcome to the channel. My name is Alexander. I'm a professional trader who has over 6 years of experience and the founder of the Trading Academy. Over the years, I've been through it all: growth, setbacks, mistakes, re-evaluating strategies, and I've learned one key thing. Consistent results only come to those who work systematically and stay in control of their emotions. That's exactly what I show in every episode. There are no fairy tales about easy money here, no hype trades, only real trading with a full breakdown. Why I enter trade, how I choose entry points, how I manage risk, and how I maintain discipline even when the market moves against me. This isn't a show. This is honest trading with real money. If you really want to understand how professional trading works, stay with me until the end of the video. And if you want to keep up with my trades, daily signals, and real results, join my Telegram channel. There are already over 70k traders learning and growing together with me. The link is below this video, so let's get to work. So let's move on trading, setting the trade time to 1 minute. This is the optimal interval for this strategy. The trade amount is set at a working level to manage risks. The system is based on classic risk management principles. The key is not to risk the entire deposit, but to trade calmly and systematically. We don't rely on luck, we rely on calculated decisions backed by proven strategies. So I am setting the candlestick time frame to 30 seconds. This helps me better track local price movements. And now let's pick the currency pairs. AUD, CAD, AUD, CHF, AUD, NZD, and AUD, USD. These pairs are among the most liquid, offering good conditions for short-term trades. All of these pairs currently have high returns, perfect for this strategy. And most importantly, I'm using reliable analysis tools, the stochastic and RSI indicators. These are essential in the filtering out noise and identifying clear market signals. I will explain how I use them to evaluate the market at the end of this video. So first trade is Australian dollar and United States dollar. The indicators confirm upward movement. The price is testing a resistance level. I'm waiting for confirmation and entering with a buy trade. The trade closes with profit. That's good. Patient and precision. That's what trading is about, guys. Sometimes you need to wait for that one right moment rather than chasing every minor signal. Success in trading often comes down to the discipline of sitting on your hands until this setup is exactly what you want it to be. So the second trade is Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. The chart isn't showing growth and the stochastic points to a decline in buyer interest. The decision is clear. I enter with the sell trade, and the trade closes in profit. Another example of sticking to the plan and trusting the analysis. Even when the market tempts you to enter early, patience and confirmation always pays off. So let's go to the third trade. AUD, CHF. So it's Switzerland franc and Australian dollar. Pretty good pair, to be honest. Indicators show a downward trend here. After a correction, sellers are pushing the price back to the support level, and I'm entering with a sell trade. So let's wait. And the trade was successful, step by step, trade by trade. This is how we build a solid track record. It's all about staying consistent and following the same rules, regardless of market noise. This is where many traders fail, giving up too soon or jumping from strategy to strategy. It's very important to understand consistent results are not coincidence, but the result of working with a strategy. My Telegram subscribers know this very well. Yesterday, our team's overall profit was truly impressive. Working together, analyzing the market and following clear rules, that's our daily routine. And day by day, we build skills, sharpen our analysis, and improve execution. That's the difference between a trader who grows and one who stays stuck. Our fourth trade, Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. The market is flat, candles are small, and volume is low. In this situation, I'm entering with a sell trade. The trade is closes with profit. Sometimes the best trades are those that follow a clear, simple signal. Avoiding overcomplicating is key. A clean signal often beats a crowded chart with too many indicators. Fifth trade, Australian dollar, United States dollar. Buyers are losing strength and the indicators confirm the possibility of a downward move. I'm entering with a sell trade. The trade close and profit. It's all about reading the chart correctly and respecting the market structure. Recognizing when a trend loses momentum and adapting accordingly can make all the difference in trade outcomes. So our sixth trade, Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. Buyers are still active. I'm entering with a buy trade. The trade closes positively. Momentum is in our side and we take advantage of while staying within our system. Trading with the trend, not against it, is a fundamental principle I always stick to. So the seventh trade, Australian dollar and Swiss franc. So sellers are holding control and I'm entering with a sell trade. The trade closes in profit. One more solid confirmation of how sticking to analysis works in practice. Every entry should have a clear justification, never trade out of boredom or overconfidence. Eighth trade, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Indicators and candle analysis confirm a strong downward move. I'm entering with a sell trade. And the trade brought up profit. I share my trades in market analysis daily in Telegram. We already have over 70k traders there, a strong community that grows together every single day. When you are part of the focus group, your discipline grows along with your skills. So guys, our ninth trade, AUD USD, indicators confirm a downward move. I stick to my system and enter with a sell trade. So the trade closed successfully. Discipline isn't just a word, it's daily practice. And consistency means respecting your system, even on tough days. So our 10th trade, a quick note on the tools we use. RSI helps assess market sentiment, trend strength, and overbought or oversold levels. Used correctly, it gives you a real edge in understanding price action. It's not about predicting the market, but about making informed decisions based on clear signals. The stochastic helps track potential reversals. It's a great tool for spotting turning points and fine-tuning your entries. The result, the account balance is steadily growing, guys. The main deposit is protected. So let's wrap up the trading session. Today you saw how a trader really works, entries, decisions, and risk management. There is no room for chance or emotion here. Trading isn't about perfect streaks or instant success. It's about a systematic approach, clear analysis, and working within a strategy. If this format resonates with you, subscribe to the channel. Here we grow without illusions and empty promises. And make sure to join my Telegram channel. We already have over 70,000 traders there. I share my trades, analysis, and real results every single day. All of this is free and open to anyone who wants to grow. Thank you for being here with me. See you in the next video and trade honestly. Grow together.